Hey guys, so glad you're watching this because I'm here with Fiona. We decided to show you guys exactly how I do the glass hair look. So Fiona wanted the really kind of super shiny, dramatic, glossy finish. What we're gonna do is we're gonna apply the Colour Wow Dream Coat. So this is the product I use to create glass hair. The product is as light as water, so you can really saturate the hair in it and it doesn't get greasy and it doesn't get heavy. So now what we're going to do is add a few extensions in at the side just to give us more dramatic finish here. So now we're just using the root Coverup. I like to use this product on the roots just to blend in any extensions so there's no telltale signs. And this is also nice as well if you want to cover any greys or even if you just want to blend the extensions and add a bit more dimension. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is the glass hair, really beautiful, high quality, shiny hair. We used the Dream Coat to prep it. That's the most important part of creating glass hair. And then we added the extensions just to give it more dimension at the front.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys.